Learning the rental business is faster than learning any other investment. It's not easy, it's not for the faint of heart, but buy and hold real estate investing is simple enough to do part-time, and it yields excellent returns over the long term. Before we get into the list, I want to make an important distinction. This video is about buying and holding real estate long term. That means intentionally purchasing your real estate to keep for the long haul. You can either live in the property first or not, but either way, the plan is to rent it out to other people for the next 10 plus years. Okay, so here's the 10 reasons to buy and hold and keep your real estate. Number 1, high leverage. With a mortgage, you're able to take $1 million, control $1 million asset for only $200,000 out of pocket. That's leverage. Number 2, high ROI. With your high leverage comes the ability to earn a very high return on investment. Your cash on cash return goes up. The entire asset appreciates rather than just the down payment amount you invested. Number 3, appreciation. Real estate is an asset class that appreciates. Of course, market cycles and timing are important, but over the long term, it is safe to assume appreciation. Number 4, semi-passive cash flow. Investing in real estate, when done with the right intentions and analysis, investors can achieve mostly passive income. Real estate investors always remain somewhat involved, even if it's just an annual meeting with your property management. Still, investors make good returns while playing a very, very hands-off role in their investment. Number 5, tax benefits. Okay, so owning real estate allows for the deduction of your mortgage insurance as well as the depreciation of the property itself. You can build wealth through 1031 exchange opportunities, deferring tax liability, and continue to investing your funds into new properties, deferring tax liability for as long as you want, even potentially forever. Okay, number 6, mortgage paydown. Your tenants are also paying down your mortgage on your property, and the longer you hold the property, the higher the percentage of your mortgage payment is being paid, allocated to the principal of your paydown. Number 7, rent increases. All right, everybody knows that rent goes up every year. It's one of the reasons we encourage tenants to buy their first home if they can, pointing out that analysts expect rents to continue to increase every year for the coming years. Owning investment real estate provides you with the opportunity to increase future cash flow by increasing the rent. That brings us to number 8. It's going to protect against inflation. Okay, when the prices increase, when inflation goes up, so does the cost of housing, and therefore your rents are going to go up with the rising tide of inflation. Number 9, retirement plan. Over a 20 to 30 year period, the prospect of living off rental income into retirement years is incredibly likely. With a well-executed plan, you can purchase 1 to 2 units per year, trade up with your 1031 exchanges, and be well positioned to retire wealthy, ideally a little bit early. And investors can own multiple properties free and clear, create a net worth well into the millions of dollars, and live off the cash flow generated from these assets. Finally, number 10, multiple exit opportunities. Okay, so investment risk is minimized when you buy a rental property. I take some personal security in knowing that if worse comes to worse, I can always, live in one of my assets if I needed to, one of my rental properties. But short of this type of crisis, if you needed to get capital out of your real estate investment, there are more than one way to do that. You could sell your property, refinance, lease out your properties, offer the property on seller financing terms. You can offer lease options. There's just a lot of ways to get capital out. So those are the top 10 reasons to buy and hold. The thing that I love the most about the rental business is that it's approachability. It's pretty simple to understand and execute, and there's absolutely no reason you shouldn't get started today. So check out our resources below and schedule a consultation call to begin your investing journey.